So Sonu Mandal, first of all, congratulations for winning storytelling competition. And you are really
Thank you
very
very much, sir.
dedicated and a hardworking student. I have seen this type of qualities in you, and you are, I think, very trustful person because you
Thank
speak,
you for
you
your
know,
compliments.
fast forward. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So I think your vision is also clear. You are not unclear person. You know, your vision is clear. What you want to do in your life. So I can see on your face. So let's start our meeting now. You can ask me question.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to ask one question.
Yeah,
As far as I know, I think you are a Sanskrit teacher in a government school.
definitely.
So, what motivated you to learn English?
Okay, first of all, I did not want to be a teacher. That was my first goal. When I was in college, I completed my graduation with Sanskrit subject, and I went to Ahmedabad for my higher study. And really, I'm from very poor family. I did not have enough money to survive myself in big city, so I had to work also. So I faced different interviews because I need a job to survive myself and to continue my study. But unfortunately, in 2001, I did not get a single job, and I did not get admission in college also. Second, that time also, okay, that was the requirement. That time I was just looking for a job, and I read one advertisement in the newspaper. Then that was the advertisement of Jet Airways.
Okay.
So there were three requirements for that job. First requirement, candidate must have first class in graduation. Candidate must have NCCC certificate. And last requirement was candidate must be fluent in English. Okay, but I went there and I faced the interview. That person, interviewer was asking me some questions, but he was asking me in English. Then you can understand
Okay.
the situation. The person who has only the degree with the Sanskrit, then how can he reply everything in English?
Hmm.
So when I finished my interviews, and I fought a losing battle to get that job because of only one thing, one reason, English. So I cried a lot on that day, and I decided to learn English. And from that day, I started learning English. I started with grammar because I did not have money to join any courses. So it was tough for me to start learning at the age of 20 or 21, and without
Okay.
any money in my purse, and internet was not available that time. Books were not
Hmm.
available for me. So that was the turning point for me, and that's why I decided to learn English language.
Okay. And the second question I would like to ask from you, uh, how you have gained such type of confidence and fluency, because whatever you speak, that is very much clear and understandable to any student. So how you gain such
Hmm.
type of fluency
Yeah,
and clarity?
very nice question. Okay, Sonu Mandal, what I think about English language? I think English language is not knowledge. If you know English, then you are much better than others. That is wrong thing. So I think that English
Yes.
language is a tool to communicate with the different people. Okay.
Yes.
If I speak in only in Gujarati, and if you know Bengali, I think you are from Bengal. So how can we communicate? So, which is
Hmm.
the common language? English is the common language. If I want to talk with the Canadian person, if I want to talk with the American person, so that is the language. So, whenever I speak, I never think about making mistakes. If I make grammatical mistakes, if I'm making some mistake in my pronunciations, I don't worry about that. That's why I have a confidence to speak, because I think English
Yes.
is a language to communicate only. If I'm speaking something and you can understand, that's enough. So
Yes.
it's very easy for me, and some people have fear of making mistake. That's why they can't get the confidence, and they don't have confidence. As a result, they don't have fluency of
Hmm.
English. Very simple thing.
Yes. Absolutely right, sir. Many people do not speak English because they think that people will laugh at him. So I
Yeah.
think this mentality should be changed.
Mm.
Yeah, you should start with the basic English. You will do mistake, but the thing is that you have to learn from your mistake. Then only you can improve your English. Any questions, sir, you would like to ask?
No, you can ask me.
Me?
This is your turn to ask me some questions. Then at last, I will
Okay,
ask you. Okay.
okay. So, which motivate you to do TED Talk? Because as you have mentioned many times in your video that you want to do TED Talks. So, what motivated you? And when you think that I will one day I will go for a TED Talks?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So from my early age, actually, when I was in the school after 10th standard, I was interested in public speaking. I used to participate in elocution competition and I would get the first prizes. But that time I used to speak in Hindi, okay, not in English. So that was my plus point. Really, I have a great ability to make a speech. I know how to attract the audience. But what was the main problem? I could not make my speech in English. So one day I was just scrolling and I was watching some videos on YouTube when I saw the TED talk, and there was a video of one person from Sri Lanka, Dhananjay Dhanayarachi, like that. So he started his speech. He just okay, no, it was a Toastmaster. Okay, it was a Toastmaster, and yeah, Brian Stevenson. Yes, I was watching the video of Brian Stevenson. Have you heard the
Okay.
name of Brian Stevenson? So he is a lawyer in
No,
USA.
sir, I haven't.
Okay, he is a lawyer in USA. So he got the highest applause, standing ovation in the TEDx history because he is a great
Okay.
storyteller. When he come on the stage and when he start
Hmm.
explaining everything, you cannot blink your eyes. Also, you will start just you can look at that person, how natural he speaks. So sometimes I also copy that person and I try to speak like that. Let me give you an example how he started his. Okay, one example I want to give you. So these things attracted me, and that day I decided I also will be a storyteller, and I one day I will make my presentation on TEDx. So how we started one day. Lisa, thank you very much for inviting me on the TEDx, and that's my pleasure to be here. And I have spent my most of time in prison, so people are starting laughing. No, start laughing. In prison? Oh, I'm not a criminal. I'm a lawyer. That's why I have to spend my time in the prison. I have to go there, and one day, okay, I want to talk about your identity. How people will know you, how will people recognize you. You must have that one quality in you. So how I changed myself, I want to tell you. When I was only 8 years old, it was a Sunday morning, and as I was sleeping in my house, sleeping in my room, and my grandmother just knocked the door and she asked me, Brian, can I come to your room? Then I answered, "Oh, grandma, you don't need my permission to enter the room." And she just came to me. She sat on my bed and she hold my hand in her hand and she started looking at my eyes and she told me, "Brian, I have been observing you since your childhood. You are a special person, and you have ability to do whatever you can do. Just promise me two things: love your mother all the time, and do right things in your life and never drink alcohol in your life." So thus I promised. I was only 8 years old and I promised my grandmother to love my mom. So still I love my mom. And just I turned okay. Just I was turning to 25, and that was birthday of my brother, and he arranged a party, and all people were drinking alcohol, beer, and they invited me to. Oh, Brad, please join us. We have a birthday, and you can. So I denied. I denied. I said no. Then they started like, you have promised your grandma not to drink alcohol. That's why you are not drinking. And now let me tell you, I am 52 years old and I have never tasted alcohol in my life. So thank you very much for listening to me. So these things just changed me. After watching that video, I decided I want to make a speech on that, and I will tell story of my life.
Okay.
Okay. So now,
So
soon, Mandal. Yeah. Hey, one more
the
question.
last question:
Yeah.
when we will get our prize?
Okay. Okay. So now Amazon is not available. That's why. That's
Yes,
why
yes.
I cannot give you price. So when
Hmm.
Amazon will be available, then I will send you a gift. Okay, from on your
Okay,
address,
sir.
at your address.
Hmm. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. So Sonu, what do you want to be in the future and why?
Sir, currently I'm, sir, in the third year and doing my BTech in electronics and communication engineering. So I want to join any government organization, any research organization, and the first company which I want to join is DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. So I want to join that research organization. That is my first ambition in my life.
That's good. Means,
So in the
as I
next year,
told you
I'm going
earlier,
to.
your vision is clear, and just keep working and get that
Yes,
job and be the proud of your family, your village, your school, and try to be helpful for other people.
yes.
And any other else?
No, sir, that's all.
Who motivates you to do this all thing?
Sir, generally, no one in my family is educated. So, and my father is a daily laborer. So, whenever I see him, he's working more than, someday he's working more than 18 hours. So, it, these things motivates me that if my families are working so hard just to fulfill my desires, so why I can't just study sitting at my home? It should be, I think there should be responsibility of, there is a responsibility that you should achieve something in your life. They are doing these things just for you, so that you can become a good human being in your life and can achieve good things in your life. So that thing motivates me, and every time.
So, okay, so no, being a poor, that's not obstacle. I think that is a motivation.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is what strength.
So my parents are also illiterate. They don't know how to read A or B. Okay. And when I
Yes,
changed, when I moved, okay, in my childhood also, I used to work as a labor. I used to work in a flour factory. I used to work on a lorry to sell some clothes. So I had seen so many bad days, but I thought that I can change everything. I can change everything. And now,
yes, sir.
so
If
no,
you
I'm
have a
so
clear vision,
fortunate.
no one can
Yeah,
stop you.
yeah. So now God is very happy with me. I have everything, whatever I want to. That's why
Yes.
I'm so happy now.
And whatever you are doing, you are providing such type of platform that is really appreciable. And thank you very much, sir,
Because
to
yeah,
providing me
because
such a
yeah,
type of
okay,
platform.
being a Hindu, what all religion have one, some core principle. Yes or no? If you are Christian, if you
Yes,
are Muslim, if you are Hindu, Jain, all religion have a core principle. And what is the principle of our in Hinduism? Try to help other without any expectation. Yes or
yes,
no? So
yes,
just this is my
definitely.
motto, and as Hindu, just I want to follow this principle. Try to help others without any expectation. So I'm Hindu. So thank you very much, Sonu, for
Yes,
uh,
sir. Thank you, sir.
winning the storytelling competition again. And I have seen nice person, and definitely you can make your future bright, and you can change the good days. You can bring some good days for your family. Okay, so good luck for that, and see you soon again.
Yes, thank you, sir.